Here you close the file. Now after closing the file, again let me open the file. Okay, let me copy paste this one, right click, paste. So let me use another variable name fs1. So fs1 is also a file pointer. It is pointing to the text file a.txt, and let me open the file in r plus mode. Okay, what is r plus? Reading and writing. So the speciality of r plus mode is the file should be present in the computer. If it is not present, it's an error. Okay, anyway the file is there because here we have created that file. Okay, so now it will not result in an error. The file is opened in r plus mode. Now when you open a file in r plus mode, the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. Now let me write one more data. S3 equals, inside double quotes, this video tutor explains the various file modes. For visibility, let me break the sentence backward slash. Now you can continue. Explains the various file modes. Okay, so here I left space, so that is quite okay. So again, no need to leave space here. Now let me write this data to the file. So it is fs1.write, and the string variable should be passed s3. Once the use is over, certainly the file should be closed. fs1.close. Okay, so understand the meaning. The file is again opened for reading and writing purpose. When you open a file in r plus mode, the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. So when you write data to the file, from the beginning of the file the data will be written, which means the existing contents are overwritten. Okay, the existing contents are overwritten. You can see that. Save your file, run the program, F5. Okay, in the computer's monitor only this will appear because we did not display the answer, the new answer I mean. But if you open the file, you can see the video tutor explains the various file modes. The existing contents are overwritten. Okay, now let me display the answer using the read function in the computer's monitor. Every time opening the notepad file is difficult. So let me copy paste this one, right click, copy. Okay, and here remember the file pointer is fs1. Okay, so 60 means the file pointer is taken to the beginning of the file. The file pointer fs1, don't forget that. Okay, this will read the data. Let me use another variable name sr4. Run the program. You can see the answer in the monitor. This video tutor explains the various file modes. Okay, now suppose you want to preserve the existing data. Okay, so here when you open the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. That is the reason why the write function wrote the data was overwritten. Suppose if you want to preserve the existing data, what you can do is, before writing the data, you move the file pointer to the end of the file. After that, if you write the data, the existing data will be preserved. So how can you move the file pointer? You know the method. It is fs1.seek. Now how do you move the file pointer to the end of the file? The method is, the second argument whence is taken as 2. What's the meaning? 2 means end of the file, and offset is taken as 0. So what's the meaning of 0, 2? Whence is 2, meaning from the end of the file the pointer is moved by 0 characters or 0 bytes forward, which means the file pointer is at the end of the file. Okay, the file pointer is at the end of the file. Now if you write the data, the existing data is preserved and the new data will be written to the end of the file because you moved the file pointer to the end. You can see that. Save your file, Control S, F5. So we are students of class. So here you can see, we are students of class 12 computer class. This data is preserved, and I move the file pointer to the end so that the new data is written to the end of the file. So what did you understand from this? When you open a file in R plus mode, R plus means reading and writing, the existing contents are not deleted. They are still there. So you can move the file pointer to the appropriate position, and there you can write the data. So I hope it is clear. So this is another usage of seek function. So understand the meaning of 0, 2. If whence is 2, meaning end of the file. So from the end of the file, the pointer is moved by 0 characters or 0 bytes forward, which means the file pointer is at the end of the file. So for the CBSE class 12 board exam, the question may come like this: write a Python statement to move the file pointer to the end of the file. The file pointer variable name is fs1. How do you write the answer? If it is fs1.seek 0, 2. Okay, so please understand that. Again, my last point. Suppose the pointer is here. Okay, this is the position of the file pointer. Now if I write here 1, 5. What is the meaning of this statement? Whence is taken as 1. The second argument is 1, meaning current file pointer position, and your current file pointer position, an example taken this one. So from the current file pointer position, the pointer will be moved by 5 characters forward. Okay, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the file pointer will be at this position. Okay, so like this also you can move the file pointer. So please understand this. Again, one more thing. Okay, so this is 0. Now here if I make use of, maybe this is end of the file. If I write -3, will it work? Let me check. F5, error. Okay, so what did you understand from this? Offset should be a quantity, should be an integer greater than or equal to 0. Offset cannot be a negative number. So please make a note of that. It may come for short answer type question. Offset should be an integer greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be a negative number.